Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Well, this card kit is for September 2022, and I am utilizing the Rings of Love designer series paper that we could get for celebration. I have oodles of the stuff, so I carefully constructed a fun way of featuring this designer series paper. So this is Shaded Spruce and Crumb Cake, and as you can see, these card fronts don't look normal. So what you're supposed to do is take your favorite dry adhesive, mine is Seal Plus, and run it all the way along the very outside of that left side of the cardstock. You make sure the designer series paper is even on the right side, and then you press it all together so it's nice and even. So these pieces are 4 by 5.5 and the DSP, and then so there's an inch lip that goes over the card bases. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm really trying to feature the Rings of Love designer series paper. I'm also utilizing the graceful tiles. I cannot get enough of this. I just completed an online class using this stamp set. It's just a stamp set, there's no dies, and actually my online class is probably one of the least expensive that I have come up with lately. Came up with so many great ideas for this stamp set. Anyway, I am stamping and using the sentiment, and it says, because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. Thought that was apt because I have a lot of friends that I need to thank for all the birthday wishes I got. Appreciate my friends so much. So, and I wanted to use this large piece of basic white because of the sentiment and because I wanted to use that little corner piece that's in the stamp set. So if you don't have this stamp set, you don't have to do it. You can maybe punch something out. Perhaps you have a bigger or smaller sentiment, what have you. You do you. This is just an example of what I've done with these components, and I leave the freedom up to you. I do not just slap together these card kits. I take time and construct them for what my purposes are and then share an inspiration, but it's just a jumping place. It's just something that you're going to jump from and create your own works of art. Those are my cards for today. Oh, and I'm not, I missed a little here. So if it's a little shy or a little over, just trim some stuff off there. Make it perfect. Make it for you. Yeah, that's the card. I put those sentiments up with dimensionals. And here I want to show you the stamp set again, and also the card class packet. They are ready to go. I will leave a link in the description box below for this brand new online class, and I hope you'll join me there. Bye for now.